Today's video, we're going to be working on this in the hoop project. It's this fun, festive dog collar tie. Basically, it's going to be open on the sides right here. That way you can pass the color through. I will also have like all the information of the file along with like the finished size. That way you can see if it's something that you will want to make and it will fit your dog, obviously. But I think I made the width of this. I think it was like an inch and a half. I'll double check again once I post this video. Everything will be listed down below. Let's get started, and here is our step-by-step video tutorial on this. Okay, so like always, it's going to start with the placement stitch so we know where to place our piece of fabric. So here is the outline of the tie, and for this project I'm going to be using this really fun glittery felt. So I'm going to place it on top, and it's going to create another stitch holding the fabric in place. So now it's going to stitch all of the little details on the tie, so the Santa Claus belt and the buttons on here, and then I'll be back in a bit so we can finish the tie. So yeah, we're going to let this run for a little bit as it stitches out the details. Okay, so once it's done stitching the last white button, you're going to stop the machine and we're going to take it out because we're going to add another piece of fabric at the bottom before it does the final stitch. So here it is. We're going to flip it to the back side. Okay, we're going to add another piece of fabric. So for this one though, because again, we're going to use this area to pass the color through. I don't want it to be sticky, so I'm only going to be using the basting adhesive in this part. And then I'm going to tape the other piece on top. Now we're going to start the machine again so we can create the final stitch connecting both pieces, right, the top and bottom together. And here it is, all done. Let's take out of the hoop and cut it out. Now that we're done stitching out our tie, I'm going to quickly show you how you can add elastic to this in case this size of collar doesn't fit. So here is the casing. You basically pass the collar through here, and the space is about 1.25 inches. But again, if it doesn't work for your dog, you can add elastic. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do this. So basically measure the neck of your dog, right? And remove, I think, what is it? 3 inches from that measurement, right? And we're going to, inside the casing, right, we're going to add our elastic, stitch it, and repeat on the other side and stitch. So let me quickly do that and I'll be right back. And here it is with the elastic already sewn on the tie, so you can put it over your dog. Obviously, you know, I would match the elastic color red, but the tie is just I only have white at the moment, so yeah, anywho, yeah, this is how you make this in the hoop tie for the holidays. Stay tuned. I'm making more designs because I really like how this turned out. But yeah, let me quickly put it on my dog mannequin so you can see what it looks like, and I'll see you guys on the next video. And of course, the file will be linked down below. Okay, bye.